Is he playing on our hopper? What is he doing? Yay!
Oh.
What?
Are we going to the Renaissance Fair this year?
You already asked me that. October.
No, I said, are we?
Oh, sure. Jilly! We could go to the King Richard Fair, can't we? Yes, we can.
Is that the place with the castle and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really nice.
We could go to the King Richard Fair, can't we? Jilly! What's he doing? Say hi, Papa. Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Look at them little feet go. Here she goes again. Eh? Say hi. Da da. Da 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 da.